Over the last decade, China has become Nigeria's biggest trading partner, while Nigeria has jumped to become the third largest trading partner of China in Africa. Most of Nigeria's imports today comes from China, and nowhere is this more evident than in the famous ICT market in Lagos, popularly known as Computer Village. From mobile phones to computers and ICT accessories, the market is dominated with stocks from China. Nigeria on its part exports much of its crude oil and other petroleum products as well as solid minerals to China. Trade volume between both countries has been on a steady rise.
11 years ago, that's 2013, the volume was 1.9 billion US dollars. Now for it to grow like 10 times into 22.6 billion in 2023 means there's progress. Yes, I know some people might ask, in whose favor? It's in the favor of the two.
Balance of trade between the two countries has always been a talking point, but experts say Nigeria needs to do more in terms of its exports to China.
China is like the factory, the primary factory for the whole world in many products. So that imbalance is there. It's structured into the fact that the Chinese economy is very much advanced. Nigerian economy is just trying to get through the initial stages of industrialization. So there is no other kind of commodities or trade that can happen now than Nigeria selling their primary products to China and China sending manufactured products to Nigeria. But that can and is changing, because even the Chinese want to import more processed products from Nigeria. But it is up to us as Nigeria to invest in processing of our products.
With the economies of both Nigeria and China expanding, the general expectation is that bilateral trade between both countries is poised to grow even further.
I expect more growth. More growth in the sense that since it has been growing and never slowed down, even during the COVID pandemic, more Chinese are still investing in Nigeria, and because more of them are investing and producing in Nigeria, so I expect the trade to be on the growth trend.
So Nigeria is learning from China in most sectors of the economy, and part of that learning is exchange of goods and services, exchange of technology, even exchange of traffic. You have a lot more Nigerians going to China now. You have a lot more Chinese coming here. You have educational exchanges. So the growth of that flow of economy between the two cannot be otherwise.
Nigeria and China have continued to deepen their overall bilateral relations through platforms such as FOCAC and the Belt and Road Initiative. China has helped to transform Nigeria's infrastructure, from rail infrastructure to the Lekki Deep Sea Port, roads and airport terminals. China's positive footprints in Nigeria continue to grow and help Africa's most populous country attain its development aspirations. DG Bademasi, CGTN, Lagos, Nigeria.